War Day number 987, 987 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzles in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, November the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle. It's the 3-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 9541. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yeah, this is truly a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku, always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a 4-star, sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. They will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars Sudoku, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s. 1 4. 3 5s. No, 1 2 3 4 5s. All right. 2 6s. 3 7s. 3 8s. And 3 9s. So the 5s are a majority. Can I start with a 5? That's the question. 5 5 5. Okay. 5 5. No, I cannot continue with a 5. Well, in this column, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be here or there. We see another 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 9. Okay. 9. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. Sorry, 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 9. 9 9 9 9. Okay, now I cannot continue with 9. Now I need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 7. We have 1 and 7 in the third row. No 1 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the middle, in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 8. The 7 there. Let me think. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row. No 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 3. Okay. 3 3. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 6 7. Then 7 there. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place level 7. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two place level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 6, 6, need a 4. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 5 should be here. 5, 5, 4, 6, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. Numbers the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Need 7 here. Need 7 there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two place level, the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 9, 9. 2, 4. 2, 4, 1. In this middle column, we need a 1. Well, these two boxes can be 1 because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left and 1 in the middle column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the middle column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Now we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so no row between. The second row, the only place level 5 should be there. Oh, 2 and the 4, we already have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left now in the second row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in this column, set column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7. 7. Yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row below, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in the second column. For numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers the 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 place levels 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in that first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Can I count? No. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 and the 6. 2 numbers left in. No. We have 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be 9 then. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 and 8. 2 and 9, we have a 9 already in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. And now, 1 and the 2. 2 missing numbers in the last row. For numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column. For number, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 6, we already have a 2 in this big square. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6, and a final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, this one, well, quick to solve. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.